In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change partner code in Exness. If you need to change the partner code linked to your Exness account, the correct way is to submit a support ticket through your personal area. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips so your request is processed smoothly. Start by opening the Exness web platform and logging into your personal area. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for the profile icon. Click it to open your account menu, then choose Support. This takes you to the Support Hub, where you can track help articles and contact the team. On the Support page, select Open a Ticket. You'll see several topics. Choose Exness programs to get to the options related to partnerships and promotions. When the ticket form asks for a category, pick Partnership. For the type of request, select General Inquiries and then hit Continue to move on. You'll now see a form with a few fields. There's a box for a partner wallet number. This is optional, so fill it in only if you have it and it's relevant to your request. There's also a partner information field, which is optional as well. Use it if you have extra context, such as the partner name or a reference that helps support identify the correct code. In the description field, clearly explain that you want to change the partner code associated with your account. Keep it concise and specific. Mention the code you'd like to be linked to and add any helpful context, like when you joined, whether you were referred, or any confirmation you've received from a partner. The goal is to make it easy for the support team to verify and action your request. If you have supporting documents, like a screenshot of a partner invitation or an agreement, you can attach them by dragging and dropping files or browsing from your device. This step is optional but can speed things up if verification is needed. When everything looks good, click Continue to review your details. Take a moment to double-check the information for accuracy. Finally, click Submit. You should see a confirmation that your ticket has been created along with a reference number. Keep that number handy. Exness support will follow up via the Support Hub and may also send you updates by email. That's it. You've successfully submitted a request to change your partner code in Exness. Keep an eye on your ticket for responses and provide any additional information they request to finalize the change.